The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Give me a second here. Logging Tradovate in. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do the Blue Sky account, the trading competition account. See what we could do there. A little bit less constrained. I'm going to do that for a day or two, though, because I want to get that Topstep passed. But let's check the markets overnight, shall we? As we see, we boomed up here in the last hour. Boomed up. Now, you see we boomed up in Asia. Weird spike there. And we're trying to match that overnight high, I guess you could say. The high there, let's see, which hourly candle had the high? 83, 83. Did we just double top? We double topped. 83.75 there on ES. Got down to 70, so about 13 points of range. And the Cure. Boom, 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 boom. 629 for the low. Looks like we just hit the very high. 712. So just about 90, 85 points of range. Copper. Copper's other stagnant, 60 ticks. Gold. About 6 points. It's also stagnant. Ultra bond coming down, down, down. A little over a point in range. Oil that's crude. Is there anything that's, is there any oil that's not crude? Anywho. About a point in range. Bitcoin sitting around 43,000. Dollar index coming down. That's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. And you see we're booming up here to the highs of the day. Straight up. I gotta check news here. I'm gonna check see what news we have this morning. See if there's anything that caused this quick pop. For the last half hour, we've come up like 60 points. Let's go check, shall we? Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. Oh, sorry. Let's see. I mean, I don't see anything on the news. As for news coming up, 8:30 Canadian and U.S. trade balances, and that's it. That's all we have this morning. And those really don't move the market much, I don't think. We'll have to check that. And then crude oil inventory is at 10:30. At 11 o'clock and 11:30, you have Fed speakers for those that might be trading into the afternoon. Or late morning, I guess I should say. Of course, this week is the calm before the storm. Next week, CPI, PPI is on the calendar. So right now we're just going straight up. Straight up. Will you love me forever? No, no, no. Sorry. Unusual for no one to be here yet. In case you missed it, Apex 80% sale started last night. Yeah, continuing to just rise. Excuse me. Continuing to rise up is what I'm trying to say. It's up so high it's hard to see. Continuing to rise up, 728. And this has been a nice move catch. I wasn't quite trading it at that time. I was eating eggs. Maybe I'm just gonna sit here and watch the market rise. Rising up it is. As everybody else is quiet. There's a little pullback on the 1 minute chart. Oh, right back up, 731. We are just on fire here this morning. On fire. Yes. Up to 49.88. Let that go. This was the all-time high, I believe, right here a couple days ago. 49.97.75. About 9 points, 10 points away. I think he still has ways to go. It's been in this area a few times now. We can see. We need to see whether or not it can break out. Ultra Bond trying to pop up a little bit, just a little bit. A little bit of a pullback now. So we got up to 732. Let's pull back a couple points. Hey, Imad. Good to see you. It's good to see anyone. I thought maybe this thing wasn't on. Yeah, it's weird. Nobody has been here. It's unusual. Everybody left me all alone. Hey, Mr. G. How are you on this fine Wednesday? Hump day. Hey, Sid. Hey, Borneo. Do I have a code for Apex? I do. Hold on one sec. The link I put down in the video description should have the code right to it, but I'll post it here just in 1 minute as soon as I find my Apex. How you doing today, Sid? And how have things been going for you, Borneo? Haven't seen you around a little bit. Borneo, here is the Apex code. I wish I could change that to something that made more sense, but I don't have that option. Oh, excellent, Borneo. We're still kind of rising up here, 733. For those who missed it last night, Apex went to 80% off. That means $33 for 50K accounts, but you can get yourself any account you want at the 80% off, and that does recur at 80%. Runs through February 13th. You have up to 20 accounts. So you're going to see some, hopefully, a little bit different trading today. I am on the Blue Sky trading competition account today. And that means I'll be trading more than one contract and might take some additional trades than what I would normally take. Oh boy. Nice job, Grip, on your $300 win on the NQ pre-market. Excellent. That's the way to do it, Crypt. That's the way. I like it. All right. Gold popped down for a little bit there, and now popping back up. Trade balance reports come up in less than 10 minutes. That's our only news of the morning. I believe it's a big nothing burger, but I need to start tracking these things to make sure that. Yeah, I don't think it rocks the market. It's marked as red on Financial Juice, but I don't ever remember thinking, "Wow, that trade report really caused a move in the market." Not that I ever really say "wow." Anyway, I guess I do say "wow." I don't know. I'm here babbling. Market very slow this morning. Slow, which we all know news catalyst. So kind of. Well, I mean, news catalyst is coming up, but after that, there's nothing. Awesome. Thank you, Borneo. I appreciate that very, very much. There's a bit of a pullback now. Now it's coming down some. Stop it a little more often if you can, Borneo. Let us know how you're doing. Hey, Hassan. Yeah, I missed the push up too. It happened while I was eating eggs, where it started. I had other opportunities, I guess, in the middle of it, but we'll get the next in. Nice push down, actually. Now it's full back by 15 points. Wonder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, or you expect to, at least. Appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Doesn't that suck? I know that feeling all too well. Okay, why? What's up? What's up? It's happening on Topstep TV this today. Ah, okay. I gotcha. I thought you meant something special was happening. Yeah, I can't really watch it when I'm streaming, so I Euros run. Oh yeah, Euros looking good. Yeah, I saw that the dollar was coming down. top there. So a little bit of news coming up here in a couple minutes. Like I said, I don't think it really moves the market, but I could be remembering wrong. So be careful. After that, there's nothing until later in the morning after the stream. There's some Fed speakers. Oh yeah, crude oil inventories, but that's only affecting people if you're like trading crude. Look at that blue candle back up. Yeah, I'm gonna be aggressive today, but only because I'm trading the Blue Sky competition account today here on that stream. Yeah, speak it. News in 44 seconds. How's that for exact? Of course, by the time you heard it, it was like 42 seconds. So there's still like a 2-second delay. We're here for the party. Say nope, no overall response here to the whole trade balance news. Nice job, G. U.S. trade balance negative 62.2. They expect it right negative 62 even. And the market couldn't care less. So we're hanging around 17,735. Gold back up to 2050. So will we get a rally today that gets ES up to 5,000? It's 11 points away. Yeah, it's toying with me. That telling me I should have taken that blue candle there. Bleh. Up to 746. Rising up, as they say, rising up. ES hit this at 49.90. So the high of yesterday for the NQ. Yesterday, all our profits seem so far away. Oh, sorry. Oh, 769, so about 25 points away. Hmm. So Hassan blinking must be a market catalyst. Reminder, everybody, that since it's Wednesday, that means we have an evening stream tonight. Should join me tonight at 7 Eastern for a couple hours of Asia. Pulling back. Giving back that candle now. Oh, there's a 10-point pullback right there. And that candle's red. Took a short off that purple candle on the 1 minute. The 1 minute chart's showing a micro. Let me go to the regular NQ. We'll see whether or not that works. I don't think it's going to work, but hey, we'll try it. Well, maybe it is going to work. Boom, boom, boom. It's down to the 20 on the 1 minute chart. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Take it off there for a $230 win to start the morning. I need to get the winner thing fixed back up. Yeah, I like that. It bounced there. It got out at the right time. Good morning, John DeFore. How are you doing today? Excellent. Caught that rise up. Yeah, it's your golden time, isn't it? That way that was going up. That time you really liked the grab. Now it's interesting. In 1 minute, gave me a blue candle. I didn't really grab it, but I could have. That would been nice. Oh, we have a Fed speaker that was not on the calendar. Who's talking right now? Fed's cash carry is talking. At the moment, 2 to 3 rate cuts this year seem appropriate. The housing market's resilience has been surprising. If the labor market continues to be strong, we can dial back policy rate quite slowly. He's on a CNBC interview. Snap? Is Snap snapping? Let's take a look at Snap. Let me actually type the right letters and maybe I can do that. Whoa. Snap did not like earnings yesterday, I assume. Wow. Did it lose? Wow, it lost a third of its value. Holy wow. Whoosh. That's definition of a whoosh. Just trying to battle back a little, but I'm always surprised that Snapchat still exists. I've never used Snapchat. I have a Snapchat account because someone wanted me to check something out once, like many years ago, but I've never once posted to it or used it to message anybody or however it works. They're hanging a little bit lower now at 731. You got to kind of wonder how much longer Snapchat's going to be around. It seems like they're always, I mean, I don't know, maybe they were doing better before this. I don't know. I haven't looked at Snap in a long time. I want to say Snap was one of the stocks I got when I first signed up for Robinhood. I was doing, okay, I didn't realize it was doing that good. Wow. So just less than 3 years ago, it was trading at $80 and now it's trading at 12. Ouch. Wouldn't want to be that CEO. Looks like Cash Carry or however you pronounce his name isn't saying anything else. No new red headlines. That'd be nice. Although right now I'm actually not trading an Eval account. I'm trading the Blue Sky trading competition account. Like those fake eyelashes you can buy at the store or although I mean I shouldn't say I'm only trading that. That's what you're seeing on screen. If I see a setup on the 5-minute chart, I do have the Topstep account ready to go here on another screen. So I'm not saying I won't trade Topstep, but right now I'm what everybody's seeing is the blue sky. If we do that on stream, like where we actually show getting beaten with 2,000 lashes, that'll probably get some views. I tell you, it sucked that I ended up taking that video down the other day about the whole rumor about Apex that my funded futures made up, because that was my best, like my best financial video ever. I could have ended up being in the less than 5 hours it was up. It earned $2.41 in advertising revenue, which is kind of insane. Seems like the market wants to drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. As soon as I say that, it pops up. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to be a controversial channel though. I'm not. I don't want to. I don't want to turn into slime. Euro do something bad there. Oh yeah, big pullback there on the euro. But I do want to get more content up on the channel that's like educational, and I need to do prop firm reviews. I just haven't figured out a template for it, like everything I should touch on and all that. Yeah, I see the dollar pop there. Popping dollars. Take profit is good. They're only little bait and switch, and I don't think you mind this since you're trading Apex, is that their evaluations and their live sim is end of day, and then when you go live, it's intraday. Oh, that'd be cool, G. So yeah, take profit. Um, CFT promotes them big time. CFT is actually, hold on, let me see if I'm remembering that right. Yeah, TFC, really? CFT has actually met one of the owners, like in person, face to face. Thank you, Hassan. I also kind of want to like rate them on like if I'm doing reviews, like the toughness of the evals, their rules, things like that as well. Payout policies. I have a link. I'm not sure it's a code, but I have a link. Let me give me a sec. Yeah, I have a code too. Give me 1 second. Please hold and for the next available prop operator. I'm not even sure I'll do Lilu because I don't promote Lilu. I mean, I should. I should do the ones I don't promote too. Liu is like, it's so confusing to me that I think it would give me a headache to review them. I don't understand like all the extras they have now and that stuff. It's just like you're trying too hard. Yeah, rising back up here. I mean, I'm an affiliate of Lilu, or at least I was. I never got any sales on it. I think they owe me like $4. John DeFore, here's take my link and code for Take Profit Trader. But and then I started hearing little rumblings about them finding ways to not pay. So I definitely didn't like that. Hey, Robin, how you doing? So of the 13 majors, the three I don't promote are uh, Lilu, Elite Trader Funding, and Tick Tick Trader. I may or may not give Tick Tick Trader another chance, though. How's Robin this morning? Yeah, that was a big one for them, and I'm glad they got rid of that rule. And yeah, I was gonna say something else about Take Profit. I forget what. Yeah, definitely, definitely good company. Ouch! Sorry to hear that. I heard Apex is having an 80% sale, so you could get another eval to get that back, or to put another one in reserve. Thing, it's interesting, Robin, is, you occasionally losing a PA account is probably what's helping you stay on the live sims instead of Apex wanting to move you to live. Then you probably, and I mean, I don't know whether it worked, but churning the little bit of churn that you do, it will probably get, because obviously you make good money with them, but if you're showing that you're blowing an account every now and then, it might scare them just enough to keep you on sim. And of course, it keeps your friendly Apex affiliate happy that you're occasionally buying more evals. Uh, oh wait, hey, John. One other problem with Take Profit Trader might be a problem for you if you're considering using your algo. Um, Once you're live, they only have Tradovate. They do not have Rhythmic. Not sure if that's a problem for you or not. Kind of choppy here. At 8 minutes to the top of the hour. I am shocked, shocked, shocked that Bulenox has not yet announced their price match of Apex. I'm watching for it. I did not update the sheets last night in order to prepare for Bulenox doing it, and then I would have to do it again. Okay, cool. I just wanted to make you aware before you ended up buying it, and then then you couldn't use it what you wanted to use it for. These are the little things. I'm also, I'm planning another video. I've been planning it for a while, and then I kind of forgot about it. I want to do a video on the most annoying thing about each prop firm. I have a couple though that I haven't. I can't. I don't know what I want to do for it. Like I couldn't come up with something annoying. I'm sure there's something but I don't have enough experience with them. Yep, we are nearing top of the hour. The crude market opens. I don't have anything for Tick Tick Trader or Trade Day. Those are the two. And for MMFU, my funded futures, I put down the most annoying thing is Trade Sage, but I really can't use that. That'd be too much of a slam. So those are the three I still need to come up with something for. If anyone wants to throw out suggestions. Now we're moving down. We got down to 29 over here. Let's see where we go. Just a choppy, choppy time right now. No more news catalysts this morning unless we have another unexpected Fed speaker.
Yep, big round numbers. I do watch them when I'm in a trade. They can definitely be support and resistance. Another curl back up here. So far, we're 1 for 1 on the day, up 230. Minute and a half to the top of the hour. Crude oil opens here in just a second. It opens a little pop. Bigger pop, 16 ticks. Russell popping a bit. Half an hour till the bell. Reminder about Blue Sky. They have a flash sale going, 50% off all their accounts. Plus, when you pass the account and then pass through the live sim portion, they will refund the eval fee. So it's like doing a free eval. Great company. And I love their static growth account. You should check them out. Links, of course, down in the video description. Missed that blue candle. That was my fault for doing a promo as a blue candle popped. Do the blue candle pop. And we're running up. Remember overnight? No, not overnight high. We're already at highs a day. But the high yesterday was 769. ES trying to get up to all-time highs, which is back here on Friday, 49.90 something, 7. Dow's been the weakest lately. It had a high also on Friday, but it really fell more than the others. FYI, this and stuff like this can move the market. The Israeli government is looking at the truce proposal that was presented by the Qatari negotiators, and Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu is holding a press conference at 12:30 Eastern. So if a truce is announced, you could see market movement, especially in crude oil, but also just in the regular overall market. Yeah, I wonder where JC's at today. I need to get an assistant, someone that takes attendance, so I don't like know who's been here and who hasn't. Not that there's any penalties, of course. It's just I'll pull back, but then pushing up still. Let's see, it's a blue candle. I'm gonna take it if it holds. I got the smell good. It's a 5 point candle right now. Yeah, it's kind of struggling there. Let's see if we can get through. 54. This last candle got up to 54.25. This one's a 54.50. 10 seconds on it. There. Ooh, spike. Long. Long 2 contracts. I can't see it. There we go. There's a nice spike. Comes back down. Was a nice spike. Let me guess, we just hit our top. Got up to 59. Move back up. There's 58. Minute 55. Ideally, I'd like to see 60 at the very least. Morning, Ace. How you doing? Are we cooking any pasta this morning? Pulled back. Struggling to get above 60 here. Got touched 59 a couple of times now. All right. There we go. There we go. Now we can zoom in. As it comes back down to my entry. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. I try to push back up. About 20 minutes till the bell. There we go. That's a push up. Push through that 59. There we go. There's 60. Hit 60.25. There we go. There's 61. Back down to 60. Did you find the long ace? Ooh, pull back. ES up to 49.95. Remember, its high from Friday was 49.97.25. There's NQ running up. My actual target, which was a 10-point target, is at 65.75. I didn't expect this to get there, but I didn't move it, so let's see what happens. Moving my stop in profit to below this candle right here on the 1-minute chart. We might have found a top here. Let's see. Move our stuff up even more. Now guaranteed 3 points of profit. All right. Yeah, looks like I'm about to get stopped out. Yep, there we go. So I could have got more out of that, but like this is the Blue Sky competition account, so I don't mind giving back some. It ended up being a, let's see, Can't see it. Really? I can't tell if we got both out at the same tick or not. $120 trade, I believe. I was up. I gave back about half. But 2 for 2 on the morning now on the blue sky competition account. Easy for me to say. Up 327 after commission. Hey, Burl, how you doing? Hey, Burl, how's the band going? I haven't heard you talk about any gigs lately. Crude opens at 9 Eastern, 8 Central. So about 15 minutes ago. How did it do, John? Is it long? Is it popped up long and pulled back? I see. I see. I see. Again, I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you haven't hit that thumbs up button yet, I appreciate if you do. JC, you're late. I was just saying, where's JC today? How you doing, my friend? Announced last night, Apex has started another 80% off sale. And again, they still allow max 20 accounts, and they said that's not going to go away. This sale runs till the end of the 13th. That's just $33 for a 50K account. Get funded. Take advantage of the Apex third, about 80% off sale. I'm doing good. Ah, that's why you're late. Fun, fun. Well, I hope she feels better. It's weird how that works. Is sometimes something's bugging the tummy, that one vomit, and back to normal. That's why we keep Ace around for those hard hitting insights. Still popping here. There's 65. There's 66. Uh, Hassan, I believe, said 774 was where he thought we were going. I don't know where we're going. I only knew where we've been. See, crude oil still mid range. Ultra bond not really doing much. Everything's kind of new high on gold, then pulled back. Approaching the bell. Strong, strong, strong this morning. Strong. Woo, there you go. There's the another little spike up us on up to 771. No overnight high touch trade for RJ since we're at our overnight highs. And look at ES trying to get up to 5,000. It's at 49.96 half. On Friday we saw 49.97.75. Pull back just a tad. I'm sure you'll get them, Ace. You always get your points. Yep, I agree. I see it coming down at the open. So we'll see. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah, I think ES is going to get temptingly close to 5,000 and again miss it. Or it might burst up at the open to 5,000 and then it's like there's probably like 20,000 orders resting there at 5,000 to go short. There's your 774. Two minutes to go. Hey, RJ. 45 seconds. ES is at all-time highs, 49.97.75. NQ hanging here at 72. We have 20 seconds to go. What did I miss that RJ took back? Ding, 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 ding. I forgot the bell thing again. Tries to pull down here. Big, pretty, about 10 points down. So again, ES cannot get to 5,000, at least not yet. I'm trading the blue sky competition account, so you're going to see me be a little bit more aggressive today because it's a competition account. Yep, I did see that, RJ. Oh, there's a whoosh. Big whoosh. About 18 points. Bounce. A little choppy here. Doesn't want to get below 750. Pops back up. ES trying again. ES got it to 49.99.25. 3 ticks from 5,000. Do you have numbers for today, Mr. RJ? And yes, I know you're watching, so you don't need to you don't need to respond like right now. Okay, there's ace short on the ES. Uh, Purple candle and Q. Big fall here. Short. 2 contracts. Again, we're on the blue sky competition account. So being a bit more aggressive this morning because it's a competition account. I mean, yeah, I like to win or, get into the leaderboard, but it's more testing some strategies and seeing where this goes. So what's my ATR? 9? Really, it's only 9? Oh, well. So we're going to go for 10 points here. Not dropping as fast as I'd hope. I'm in at 49.25. 14-point stop on this. New 5-minute candle, and it bounces big on the 5-minute on the end of the 5-minute candle. Let's see if it comes all the way back to hit my stop. Technically, if I had taken the purple on the 5-minute, my stop would be all the way at the top of that, which would be at the high, 778. That'd be a really big. That would be a really big stop, but it's also probably the safest. Let's see, it's being pushed back down here now. Come on, push down. Nice ace. Ace gets its 2 points. This trade might not work out for me, but we'll see. Then again, come on, push down. Nope. We're going to take the stop here, I believe. Still playing with that 20 EMA. It's definitely choppy. It's hoping for just a nice little burst down. I kept the target around 10 points. So the first 5-minute candle to drop 73 down to 44. 30 points. It just decided didn't want to go any further after the first 5 minutes. Really, the first 4 minutes because it was a wick. And now we're about to get stopped. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe not. Come on down. Technically, that was another purple candle. I mean, not technically, it was another purple candle, but I won't add to a trade that's already negative to me. Even though that if I hadn't been in a trade, this would have been an entry trigger for me. What we can do is we can move our stop slightly there to the top of that purple candle. Target is sitting at 739. Ooh, I got a EMA sitting there. See if it bursts through. There it did. Wow, I thought for sure it got within 6 ticks of my stop, but it burst through. That was, my friends, a $400 winner. We're 3 for 3 on the morning on this competition account. Up 715. And look at it drop now. So, like Hassan said, we all knew it was going to drop. Still can't believe ES got within 3 ticks of 5,000 and still couldn't hit it. So now you see, I executed this plan perfectly. Went in on this short on the purple, which actually wasn't that great of an entry here. Looking at it, kind of going into that band, and we did have the pullback. And then, I mean, this would have been a lot better entry. Would have even been in earlier, but I stayed in. I put my stop at the top of that wick. Saw how close it came back up, but didn't stop me out, and I got the win. It's got down to 723. The 5-minute entry would have worked as well. So that would have been like a 30-point stop based on my strategy. That would have scared me, but obviously it didn't need anything more than what I already had in place. It only came back by 11 based on the 5 minutes. That would have been, I should have entered that. I should have quickly grabbed the top step and entered that as on there as well. Gold's popping up. Pop there. Tonight we're doing an Asia stream. If you're around, join me for that. We're starting about 7 Eastern. Doing that for a couple hours for fun and profit. Russell dying. Dow's pulling back. Crude's kind of choppy. Ultra bond heading upwards. Gold's heading upwards. I missed that purple candle. I didn't have my finger on the button. So I wasn't prepared. That was done. Well, maybe I got blessed there. It shot down by 6 points and then boom, right back up. And it's coming back down and back up and back down and back up. It's a yo-yo. Wow, look at the ES dropping. Russell dying. I said that already. Or did I say bleeding? Or it could be bleeding from dying. I mean, either way works. We are. Ah, that was a mistake. I thought we were coming back down, and wow, look at that! How quickly that burst back up. I thought I'll get back in on that short off that purple candle. Hasn't stopped me out yet, so I mean, I'm not gonna. Yeah, wow. Maybe I did do something. Hold on, we'll see. How fast do you want the Russell to die? It's down like, isn't it down like 16 points right now? For our target there at that low of those last candles at 720 something. There we go. Target hit. 4 for 4. 4 for 4 up 984 now today. And quick bounce. So I got maybe a little lucky there. Did that trade not show? Yeah. Okay, yeah. 30 down the. I don't even know what my target was there. 30 to 23. So about 7 points on that one. You went 1914 on the Russell? That'd be a big fall. Hasn't been there in a long time. So we're having a little fun here right now. It ain't no fun. This is what I need to do on my regular account. Just take the trades. And that push back up. Wow. Nice bounce. ES bouncing back up a bit as well. So is the Dow. Crude's heading down. It's still red. But it is bouncing in the. It is grinding on the Bollinger. Ace must be on bus duty. RJ's quiet. JC, are you trading today, or are you just on grandkid duty for the next 7 days? Wow, look at this move back up by almost 30 points on NQ. on this 5-minute candle. It's 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Might be having another bank failure. New York Central Bank stock has been halted after falling 6.9%. Ooh, and look at Snapchat falling, as Sid pointed out earlier. Or New York Community Bank, not Central Bank, but even so, it's down to 377 a share. Looks like the halt's over. It's moving again. That's been quite the fall over the last few days. Still no price match from Bulenox on that Apex. Remember to grab your Apexes. And Q popped up to 765. Can it continue up? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask on MightyOxTrading. By the way, this blue candle, I did not take it, but it was within my strategy to take it. I didn't even think about it, but it was this above the signal line. Blue candle here. There's a little pop on the Russell. We're going back up the highs here and then Q. Blue candle is dancing here. It's getting beaten down. I don't like it. A lot of wick on this candle. Let's see what happens, how it closes. It's closing blue. We'll take the long. Stops 10 points. Right, the wick. I think it's going to be a bad trade, though. Yeah, it's coming right back down. Actually, my stop should be on the wick of this candle, so it's going to be a bigger stop. 54, we're in at 66, about 12 points, 12 and a half points. So it's a $500 risk here on this blue candle. And whoosh. Got within 3 ticks of my stop. If I left my stop there, I would already be out. Let's see what happens. So this was a iffy entry, really. Yep, it's gonna take me out. So there we go. Half my profit gone for the day. Unfortunately, there. Looking at it, it was a snap decision. I shouldn't have. It was a bad trade. Bad read. I gotta stop the bad reads if I ever want to be any good at this. Quick pullback. Got up to 767, pulls back to 739. So it was a quick snap. Yes, he does. Burrow. feed a family on 2 points a day. Wow. So quick whip back down. I just happened to get in at the where it decided to stop going back up. Damn it. Welcome back, Crypticon. Russell's back on his move down. Nice script. Kind of double bottom there on NQ over the last 10 minutes. You can see on the 5-minute chart, this wick and this wick, same spot, 719 area, 718. Our high has been 779. Low is all the way down at 629, so about 150 points of range now on the NQ. John, do you see where it has a stop at? I mean, where does it? If I'm looking at oil here, I don't know. I don't. I'm just not seeing a bounce coming. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm not obviously not an oil expert. Also, remember, John, that crude oil inventories is coming up in 30 minutes. I don't know if you want to interfere with the algo or not, but you might not want to be in that trade when crude oil inventories hit. Congrats, Crip. That's awesome. Great job, my friend. AQ trying to bounce up again, playing with that EMA. It's caught on my heels a little bit. Should have taken that long off that blue candle. Top of the hour. Yes, that's a very good thing, Crypt. Hey, TL, how's it going this morning? I'm doing all right. I'm up. I'm on the Blue Sky competition account, though. I just gave back about half. Excellent, Crypt. You're going to get there. And then once you're there, you're going to keep it. And you're going to get profits. Gold's coming down. You're welcome, Crypt. Eh. Okay. So me and a mouse are about to fight. Not my computer mouse either. So we're short. I shorted off the purple candle on the 5. And so that's where I'm putting my stop initially. But let's blow it up. I think this is a little bit iffy. This is where the 5-minute candle topped out. We're going to move our stop, though, down to here. It's about a 15-point stop. And my target, where you see this hit 718 earlier, that's my target. Be about 11 points. So right now, the risk to reward on this trade is topsy-turvy. But we'll see. Crude oil pulling back. It'll bounce here. Go back down. Blue candle. I'm always debate myself whether I should get out on a blue candle if I'm short, or a purple candle if I'm long. We'll see. Looks like that answer is yes, I should have. And I'm going to get stopped out. So I'm going to give back. I'm going to go red on the day here, which sucks. Now let's see if I end up screwing myself by moving my stop based on the 1 versus the 5. That was a blue candle that I could have taken the bounce on. So I should have got out on the blue candle and then in reversed. Dang it. And we're back heading back up. I think these are the games Hassan was talking about earlier. Wow, strong handle back up. 30-point candle. Long. We topped out at 768 over here. I might target at 769.75. Offsides. 5-yard penalty. Repeat, second down. Ah, looks like it's not going to get that high. Pull back. Got to 766. Got within 3 points. Sorry, 3 points of my target. See if it comes back up for me. There we go. Little boost. Nope. There we go. Nice little burst. Back up to 65. There's six. There we go. Target hit. That's a $400 trade. We're back in the green. Back in the green again. Back in the green again. Up to 774 again. Thank you. I was going to put my target up here with these topped. You can see it might be heading up there. We'll see. That would have been at 778. See if it gets up there. See if I should have. The ATR right now in the 1 minute is 12, and I only set the target for 10. Happy there, honestly. Thank you, Tio. And honestly, now where I entered, I had both an entry candle on both the 1 and the 5. I played the 1. The 5 right here has a 20. It would have been about a 30-point stop. Do you see it's going 15 points? It's got 1776. ATR on this one was 20. So let's see if it ends up going 20, and if the 5-minute chart would have been the better play there. 5-minute chart screwed me on this purple, but and look at that, oh boom, new high of day, 789. Where are we heading to 17,800? Hassan, was it you that asked when we are going to hit 17,800 the other day? So this would have been a great trade off the 5-minute using my strategy. Look at this. Boom. Even if I put the target all the way down at the bottom of that candle, about 29 points, you can see if I'd been shooting for even less 1.2, I could have got it. 799. I think it was you. There's 800, 17,800. Is ES running too? Did we finally get 5,000? We hit 5,000 on ES. We just broke 5,000, new high, all-time high, 5,003.50. Sorry, I did not stay in that trade for more. That was a mistake on my part, kinda. Gold is pulling back. Russell has curled up. Ultra bond pulling back. Crude oil still kind of spiky. Dow strong. Any news headlines hit, or is there a Fed speaker, or is this nope? This is nothing. Yep, uncharted territory. Dow though is still below, not at all-time highs, but ES and NQR. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that, Burrow. That was quite the burst. And look at crude coming down. I'm sorry, not crude, gold. Crude oil inventories in less than 14 minutes. John DeFore, in case you're still in that crude trade, just a reminder. And Q now up to 820. Gold dropping like a rock. Remember, Apex 80% off. Celebrate all-time highs on the NQ and ES, but get yourself an Apex account. Or 20. Just $33 for that 50K account. Sale runs for about a week until the 13th. Link and code and all that fun stuff is in the video description. And I just love that pick. Pulls back a tad. So we got up to 824. Pulled back to 806.
Market's taking a bit of a breath. And trying to push again. How's everyone looking out there today? Red, green, somewhere in between? Sid Chase has been quiet this morning. Awesome, Tio. Hopefully it gets what you need to get back to green. Sitting around 817. 824 is our new all-time high. ES sitting at 5,006. Russell coming back down. Hassan, are you still in that Russell trade? Hassan and Russell not getting along. Oh, look at NQ. There you go, TO, up to 830. ES up to 5,008. Breathe, Hassan, breathe. Remember, emotions and trading are not a good combination. So it looks like we're gonna go like maybe we'll hit 20,000 today on NQ. No, I'm kidding. That would be quite the record day, wouldn't it? Wow, look at this go now. Look. Wow. ES up to 5,009 half. NQ hit 17,840. Good. I'm glad for that, Tio. Wait, we blow accounts because of Sid Chase's losses? Oh. No, that's a very good line, RJ. Totally agree.
Up there's the Bulenox just price matched Apex 81% off. No, I'm wrong. Wait. 83% off. Did you see that, Sid? RJ's trying to blame you for blowing other people's accounts. $843 now the high. There's 5,010 on ES. These numbers are just kind of, I mean, it's just going and going and going. Crude oil inventories in a couple minutes. Actually, I would love to have Chase's accounts. 852. So wasn't it just a minute ago or a few minutes ago? I was like shocked that we just broke 800 and now we just broke 850. $859. Okay, who here thinks we're going to hit 900 today on 17,900 on NQ? There's a show of hands. I don't feel like doing an actual poll. Bulenox 50Ks are now under 30 bucks. Up to 867. ES up to 5,014. Crude oil inventories in a minute. It's 869, the new high. Got the AI working to see if it can give me a good Bulenox image. Yeah, so there's a pullback from 69 down to 50. Have we reached our top? Uh, DAL-E with ChatGPT 4. That's not bad. Link for ChatGPT, Burl? It does cost $20 a month, just so everybody's aware of it. That's ChatGPT, and then you got to upgrade. The normal ChatGPT is free, but you don't get the image creation and stuff with it. That's how I've been making the awesome ace images. See, this one's kind of cool. Yeah, it's still not showing real weakness. Pull back a little. It looks like it's trying to push right back up. Hassan, have you calmed down, my friend? How are you doing? That said, this push up really isn't giving me any entries. Okay, good. Remember, folks, we'll be doing a stream tonight, uh, 7 p.m. Central for a couple hours. Crude oil inventories. You saw crude pop up by like 25 ticks and down by 13 ticks, and it's back where it started. John DeFore, are you still here? How did your algo do through that? Oh, there's crude popping. Back up above 74. Now we're starting to see just a little drop here on the NQ. I got to stop playing with AI and get ready to take a short. Oh, wow. Actually, a pretty quick drop. So 69 down to 47, 22 points overall over the last 5 minutes or so. Took the short off the purple candle. Might be a mistake. Like I said, I'm trading this differently today because it is the contest account. We'll see what they do. Normally, I would not take this trade, not with how much strength it was showing, but we'll play with it. Technically, it is within my strategy to take this trade, but normally I would have said, what's the opposite of try to catch a falling knife? It's like try to stop a rocket ship. The blue sky, Tia, do you have a blue sky account? Then you should, I mean, it's only $5. Just remember that it kind of takes away your focus from regular trading. Unless you're taking your same setups, you can. If you're using Tradovate, you can copy trade. Back to my entry here. So maybe it's only going to give me like 5 points away from. I entered at 46, 40 no 45, 25. It would have given me 5 points. Let's see what happens. There it comes. What I like the competition for is that I could try and use it to start being more confident in my setups without it really mattering. And if I end up doing well and it's proving my strategy, not only do I get extra confidence, but maybe I can actually win something as well. And if I blow it, then it's just $5 that I blew. It seems to be afraid of that 20 EMA. Maybe I should take it off at that 20 EMA. Too late. Coming back up to my entry. That's another purple candle. I could move my stop down to that purple candle. Yep, coming back down. Come on, baby. Light my fire. 37, 38 seems to be the area it's struggling with. Ah, did you get profit on that, RJ, or did you get stopped? There we go. Coming back down for me. Again, tempting me with a purple candle. Broke through that 20 EMA for a minute. When am I going to learn to take it on the take? I keep thinking, oh, we got momentum. Just take the trade when it hits the 20. Duh, we're moving our target up some. And we're going to move our stop to the top of that wick. You have a downside target, RJ? Back in the back in the red, back in the green. But it's only February. It's not even March yet. Taking it off there. He wants to keep playing with me. I'll tell you. Oh, I made $50. But at least it was a green trade. We're up 249 now. And now look at that drop back down. So my original target, I don't remember. What was my entry? Original entry was 45, so my target was down at 35. And you can see it just keeps bouncing on around 39, 38. Excellent, TL. That's wonderful. Yeah, popping back up. So I'm glad I got my little win there. I'll take that. We're back up to 858. Our high was 69.75. About 15 minutes. Yes, you do. Maybe you should do what Crypticon did and record something. Okay, TL. Now, remember that going too far the other way with positive emotions can also lead to bad trades. Do you want me to sing? Do you want me to do turn back time? Yes. Balance.
key to trading. Absolutely, as long as I know the lyrics. He switched along, everybody. And we are back up. This is a blue candle. So technically the dice should take it. I don't know if I like taking it, but we're going to. Now 69 is our high. So right now I think that's what I want to target. Even though, again, my risk to reward's out of whack with that. It looks like we're coming back down. It looks like I'm going to once again give back all my profit. Might have been a last ditch effort on a long here before it decides to turn around and go short. Or maybe not. Give me 1 second. I'm back. What does this want to do here? Oh, have a great day, RJ. It's kind of bouncing here around 857. And yep, here's a stop coming. More, maybe not. It's definitely playing with me. Can it get back up to the highs? It's trying for me. Although I'm wondering if I should just try and get a break even here. Well, maybe not. There we go. Come on. Push. Push. 67 is the high on the candle. 68. 69. Come on, 69.75 is what I want. It's 2 ticks away. Ah. Taking it off. Green trade barely. And they're only 1 tick. Darn it. I should have took it right at 69. It's coming. Ah, man, right back up. Let's see if I would have hit my. Nope. Again, it missed it. Here it comes again. Still can't get that previous high. And here it goes. Blue candle. Let's see. There, boom. So I could have stayed in, got my target, new high of day to new high of year, new high of all time. Up to 864, I'm sorry, 874. ES curling back up as well. Just matched its high, or got within one tick of its high. Oh, big whip down. Look at that. Got up to 75 half and dropped 20 points. So, wow, quick drop. Now I wonder if we're going to see a big reversal. Part of me wants to go short here and just like hold all day. I just have a feeling that this is it decided to make a quick burst up. I shouldn't say quick, but make this huge burst up, and now it's just going to give back the rest of the day. That purple candle, the 5, I wasn't watching it close enough. That actually was a trigger, and it would have given me 15.
Coming back down. Not sure why I just decided to go randomly short here. Last trade of the day, probably. If this stops me out, I deserved it because it was not in my strategy. And I would not have done this on a regular account. But it's just kind of a momentum play. It looks like the momentum's gone away on my momentum play. Yep. So bad choice on my part there. Idiocy. Idiocy. But that's okay. Crude still heading down. Hopefully, John Zalgo got out of it. Watch this pop just enough to knock me out of that. But that's okay. It was my own fault for taking a trade that wasn't in my wheelhouse, wasn't in my strategy. Uh, Hitting all-time highs I'm at. NQ got up to 17,869. ES finally broke 5,000, got up to 5,015. I've been up and down. I'm back down now. I've been playing. I'm on this Blue Sky account, and I've been kind of playing. I was up, and then I took a trade that wasn't in my strategy just now, and I lost. So, ending right this stream just slightly red. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me today, and then we'll be back tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. If not, then tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Until tonight, we'll see you then. Bye. Damn it. Have a great day, Sid. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.